Rowserworld. Hello, my friend, and welcome. Welcome to a drawing lesson with the Rouser. I'm going to teach you how to draw the baby. Let's do it. Alright, so I'm going to start with, let me see, let's do a diamond shape here. So we're going to do something like this. Just a little 3/4, so we'll just draw that in there first. Okay, so we're going to put some cheeks in here like this. One. Put another one over here. Right? And we're going to make a shape like this. We're going to make a shape like this. And then we'll make a shape like that. Okay? Now we're going to put our ear shape here. Super awesome. Okay. And we'll put some bling right here. And since he has big bling, we'll put some more bling over here. Okay. Now, we're going to do this shape here. We're going to do a little triangle action or square action there. Okay. And we're going to do something like this here. Okay. And then we're going to do this. And then we're going to do this shape here. Okay. Now we're going to do this shape right here. This shape right here. And then we're going to draw an overall top shape here. Okay. And then we're going to do some shape like this here. And then we'll put our top shape. Should be something like this here. Alright, cool. Let's add our little neck shape. We'll put some tattoos later. Let's go ahead and do the facial features. So we're gonna start. So we'll start right here. Watch this. Huh? Huh? Uh-huh. Okay. Like that. And like that. Little scar right there you got, right? Alright, now we're going to do our nose shape here. So it's going to go right in between these two cheekbones here. I think I'll do something like this. So I'll just draw a little circle. A little line right there. Just like that. And I'll draw the other one like this. Put a little bit of roundness on the nose. Okay. And now we're going to put our eye shapes here. And I'll do something like this here. Yeah. Okay. We're going to put our eyes in there. Right? Now let's get that mouth shape in there. So we want to do a shape like first. Let's put the mustache here. Okay. Actually, so we can get a better mouth shape, let's do this first. Watch this. Alright, because he has a... see how I use that line right there? Awesome, right? Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to do like this. Okay. Then we're gonna do like this here, watch. Then we're gonna do like this here. Then we're gonna do like this right here. Bang. Okay. And then we gotta put our lip shape in there. Okay. And then we gotta put our top lip in there. Now let's put our teeth in. So we're gonna do something like this. And then we'll put another shape like this here. Okay. Let's put a little hair down here. No problem, right? I'm gonna put a little line right here, one right here. Okay. And let me just make that stash a little bit thicker, just a little bit. This stash looks a little thin right there. Awesome. Okay. Let's do this real quick, guys. All right. Now, I'm just going to darken in these brows a little bit. Just scribble those in. Make sure you leave us a little cut right there, right? Oh, and he has a huge dimple right here. Right on that line right there. Okay. Now, let's go ahead here and erase our little guideline that we have in there. We don't need that anymore. Don't need it. Okay. So I'm going to do this here. I'm going to put his, I'll tell you what we're going to do. We're going to do this shape here. So let's do a shape. 1, 2. All right. And he has like a huge necklace. So I'm just going to give him like a big chain here. Let's just make it into a little chain. Okay. And then we'll put another one because he has like 2 chains, right? Alright. And I guess now I can do something like this here. Okay, and then we'll do the other one. And then we'll just kind of color in that spot right there. Cool, right? Let's see if you guys got that. So that's what that looks like. All right. Now, let's put some, put his gum line. So why do like this here. Okay. All right. The same thing here. Okay. And now I'm going to put my little gum line in here. So I'm just getting a smaller marker here. This is a little Sharpie. Pointed tip. Let's see if we can get that to work like we want. I'll tell you what, I think I'm going to use one of these instead. This is like my little Crayola marker. So we can make like little light, see that? Little light dawning, little clusters in the teeth. And I'm just drawing like 3 little circles on each teeth. I don't know. And just try to detail them a little bit. And I'll even color this little spot in right here. Okay. Yeah. Whew. Hard part's over with. So now let us grab a gray marker like this one. So it's just a little Crayola marker, right? And then we're just gonna add some shadow right around there. Right. Let's add a look. Watch here. Let's do this. Ah, yeah. And right here, right? And then look, this little shape here we'll do like that, like that, like that, and then one right here, just to kind of separate the chin from the head shape. Okay. Now, I'll do a little bit of defining the chin, so I'll put a little shade right there. And then it's always good to put it on the top lip here, so we'll make that top lip kind of stand out. This is how I do it. Okay. So it's just a little bit of simple shade here. I want to make my necklaces look a little bit more, you know, a little bit more spiced up. And then, I don't know, underneath the hat, maybe I can use this marker and just kind of color it in. I think some contrast is in order. Okay. And let me see. I want to just kind of add a little bit of lashes here, so I'm just going to add some to the bottom, to the drawing. Okay. That's cool right there. Okay, and then we just put "duh, baby," right? So thanks, my friend, for drawing along with me. Had a super awesome time drawing the baby. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and we can draw together again in the near future. You be cool now. I'll see you later. Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate guys to go ahead and give us a like. Also guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these two super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always guys, I wish you happy cartooning.